Hey everybody out there in YouTube land. I'm doing a little walking video. We've had the first major winter weather of the year. It's mid-January and it started snowing last night about 9:30, and I think it's around 2 feet of snow. And this is Ashbridges Bay, kind of the Tim Hortons parking lot here, and you can just get a sense of all of that snow is just from last night. There was no snow here at all. Grass everywhere. So let's go for a little bit of a hike. See, I'm up to my knees here. It's hardly an Arctic adventure, but for us urbanites, this is as much adventure as we can get. So we'll just keep walking along, and looks like the city has cleared the walking bike path. The boardwalk they never clear. So I think that's where I'm going to be walking along here. We will walk over to the boardwalk. So this is Ashbridges Bay, where there is around 100 permanent beach volleyball courts, and they're used. They have like tournaments. I'm just going to keep walking along here. Alright, let's walk over to the actual boardwalk. It's just all heavy snow. And actually, let's walk over to the map here, show you where we are, in case you don't know. It's part of Toronto and Canada. There we go. You are here. So we're just about right there. There was washrooms, are right over there. And then the boardwalk goes all along here, which is in this direction. That is the boardwalk under the snow. I think it's going to stop snowing, I think, sometime in the afternoon. But I'm just going to walk over here, get a bit of a bird's eye look. Wow. The ice, I'll take you over to the ice formation by Lake Ontario. See, these are all the volleyball courts over here. Let's try these stairs. Well, I guarantee it's a snow day for the kids in the southern Ontario area. Public court. I mean, compared to a regular walk, it does take a little bit of energy to trudge through the snow. Should have had my skis, but they're up north. So it's just a pair of winter boots. This is a snow fence. Put it up in the winter time. Try and stop the sand from blowing away. You'll be hearing me panting away here. hang in there. We're going to go see the lake and the ice, and that'll be the highlight of this video. There's a guy standing in the lifeguard station. Snow's fun for a little while. It's a novelty, and then you just hate it. Whew. I'm also overdressed. It's only about -5. Probably dressed for -20. Like I'm walking across the Sahara Desert. And I bet that those stickers say, stay off the ice. See what happens to the water. It splashes, and when it's really cold, it freezes. All right, we're almost there. Oh, they say call 911. So we're getting to water's edge here. Sand. Let's just stop here. Have to wipe the lens. The water coming over slightly. A little burst. And then there's this fellow here with a camera. And all the way over to the left. That's the beaches proper in there. And on that note, I'll stop.